In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an advertising poster with Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. This process is perfect for when you need a splash of creativity but don't have much time to spend. Let's dive in and make the most of our resources. First, you'll want to open Chatgpt. This is your go-to tool for brainstorming ideas and sparking creativity. If you haven't used it before, Chatgpt is an AI language model that can assist you in creating compelling content with its intuitive interface. Once you're there, it's time to create a new chat. This is important because having a clear space will help organize your thoughts and give you a fresh start. Now here's the critical part. Define the goal of your poster. Ask yourself what you want to achieve with this advertisement. Is it to promote a new product, announce a sale, or simply build brand awareness? Having a clear objective in mind will guide your design decisions and ensure that your poster communicates effectively. Next, choose the key elements for your poster. Consider the essential information that needs to be included, such as the product name, any special offers, and perhaps a catchy slogan or call to action. Think about what visuals might support these elements too. Do you need a product image, a brand logo, or something entirely different? Jot these down so you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to decide on style and tone. This will influence the colors, fonts, and images you choose. Are you aiming for a modern, sleek feel, or something more traditional and elegant? Maybe you need a playful and fun approach. The style and tone should reflect your brand's personality and resonate with your target audience. Consider the emotions you want to evoke and how the design elements can help convey them effectively. The next step is to ask Chatgpt to help with the layout. This is where the magic happens. Chatgpt can suggest ways to arrange your information so that it's visually appealing and easy to read. It can give you ideas on text hierarchy, spacing, and alignment, ensuring your poster isn't just informative, but also captivating. Once you have a draft, you might want to explore more options. Ask Chatgpt to create multiple versions of the poster. This allows you to see different perspectives and pick the one that best suits your needs. You can experiment with variations in color schemes, layouts, and even the text itself. Finally, when you're satisfied with a version, it's time to download the generated poster. Take a moment to review your work to ensure everything looks as expected and all the crucial information is present. Save it in the appropriate format, ready for distribution. And there you have it, an advertising poster designed with the aid of Chatgpt, all within 5 minutes. This method not only saves you time, but can significantly boost your creativity and productivity, helping your brand stand out in a busy market. Enjoy your design process and let Chatgpt's creative assistance shine through.